Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the video in CapCut. Alright, so for instance I'm going to create the video with the images. Just add the images to the break and you can set for the image duration. Just go to menu and select settings, select edit and set for the image duration. Alright, you can add this transition. Just select the transition you like and adjust for the duration right here. Apply to all the clip. You can add effect. So select effect you like. Just for the duration. And just for the speed like right here. You can add the text. So you can add text, default text or effect or just text template. You can add the music. Just add the track. Can split the clip and remove unused. So you can add the filter. You can add the overlay. You can also change body position and size. Blend the overlay, add the canvas, remove the background by cutout. You can add mesh. You can add animation. So for example, alright. And after you finish editing the video, right? After you finish editing the video, you are just going to export. Just click export button in the top right corner, and you can change for the title of your project, and you can change for the place of your file, and change the resolution and other option right here. Just click export. All right, that's how you can create a video with CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you.